Yes, children. Good evening, everybody. Today we are going to discuss how to convert a terminating decimal into a rational form. I repeat, how to convert a terminating decimal into P by Q form or rational form. Please look at the board, children. I will explain by taking one problem. The given number, children, it is 25.125. 25.125 is the given terminating decimal. As we are having decimal point, it is called decimal, and the decimal is ending with the digit 5. It's not repeating. There is no bar also. Okay, that's why this is called terminating decimal. If we want to write this terminating decimal into P by Q form, what we should do? We should remove this decimal point. You see, if I remove the decimal point, what you can see on the screen? You can see 25125. It should be written on the numerator. That means if you if you want to convert the terminating decimal into P by Q form, we have to remove the point. After removing the point, whatever the integer, whatever the number it appears there, that we should write in place of numerator. Next, for removing the decimal point, we get 1 in the denominator, and after decimal point, how many digits are there? That number of zeros we should keep after 1 in the place of denominator. So after decimal point 1, 2, 5, that means how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So I am keeping 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator. Now you see 25.125 should be written in P by Q form as 25,125 by 1000. And now if there is any cancellation possibility, we should go for cancellation. You can see if the last digit is 5 or 0, it will be divisible by 5. So 5 200s are 1000, 5 5s are 25, 0, 5 2s are 10, and 5 5s are 25. Now again, in both 5025 and 200, last digit is 5 and 0. It again will be cancelled in 5 table. So 5 40s are 200. Now here we get 5 10s are 50, 0, 2, 5. 2 digits at a time I am taking. That's why I am keeping 0 there. 5 5s are 25. Now again 1005 and 40, still it goes for cancellation. I am cancelling in 5 table again. 5 8s are 40. Then here 5 2s are 10, 0, 1. So numerator 201, denominator 8. 8 will be cancelled by 2 table, 4 table, 8 table. But 201, it cannot be cancelled in 2 table or 4 table or 8 table. Hence, I can conclude that the terminating decimal 25.125 can be written in P by Q form as 201 by 8 is the simplest form. In its simplest form, this is terminating decimal, and this is P by Q form. That's all that is being asked here. Today's topic is how to express a terminating decimal in P by Q form, and this is the answer. Thank you, children.